Today I'm testing the Beatbot iSkim against the Betta SE in the same pool. One is simple and affordable, while the other is smarter and advanced. Which one will save you time? Both ice skimmers use solar power to remove leaves, bugs, floating debris. I'll compare cleaning performance, basket size, battery life, smart features, and overall value. The Betta SE is a simple solar skimmer. The Beatbot iSkim adds app control, a wider intake, better edge cleaning, and larger basket. Biggest difference is capacity. The Beatbot iSkim has a large 9-liter basket, so it can collect more debris before it needs to be emptied. From the debris test here, you can see that the Beatbot iSkim was able to collect more debris than the Betta SE. This is because of the Beatbot iSkim technology, as well as the larger intake and basket size. Overall, this is super efficient when it comes to cleaning the top of your pool or the skimming of your pool to ensure that you get maximum debris clean. With regards to battery performance, the Betta SE is a simple. Place it in a pool and let it run. The iSkim adds more app control and recall, making it easier to retrieve and manage. With the auto parking feature, the eco mode cleaning, as well as standard mode cleaning. Also the ability to just to control the app. So inside the box, you'll find the Beatbot iSkim 24-watt pool cleaner. You'll find the instruction manuals, the setup guide, and the foam. We'll tell you later what the foam noodles really is useful for. What's really cool, the basket is already installed and the iSkim is actually ready to use right out of the box. So now let's check out the iSkim to see exactly how it's built. On top, you'll see a huge solar panel, which is a 24-watt solar panel that covers this Beatbot iSkim from edge to edge. Below that, you'll find a 9-liter filter basket, which is probably the largest out there on the market. It is almost 2 times larger than the average skimmer or pool cleaner. You'll also find the mode on top and the power button, which is easy access. On the front, you'll find the 2 ultrasonic sensors. This allows the pool cleaner to navigate the pool without much trouble. Right there, you'll also find the release push. The release push allows the basket to be removed so you can empty it and put it in and use it constantly. And looking at the sides, you'll find the guide wheels, which allows it to run on the edges of your pool seamlessly. And it has the status LED. This lets you know if your device is impairing, if the batteries run low, etc. I also love the small detail where the handles of the Beatbot iSkim is built on the side, which allows you to easily lift this and move it wherever you want to add it to your pool. What's also awesome is super lightweight. It's probably the lightest pool cleaner I've had to date. Looking at the bottom, you'll find these glowing blue propellers. It looks like a boat. These 2 propellers allows it to run smoothly in the water and gives you control that you need if you want to drive it like a boat. Guide wheel and the 2 propellers allows this to control seamlessly. And the strips on the side protect it from scratching and denting on the sides of your pool, and the anti-strip at the bottom prevents the Beatbot iSkim from getting stuck on stairs. And at the rear, you'll find the steel charging port that's located right here. This is titanium built. However, when you buy the Beatbot iSkim, the charger does not come with it. This is something I wish it would. But if you do have a prior Beatbot pool cleaner, you can just use that. They're all standardized, which is pretty cool, so you don't have to go out and buy a new one. The star to show is the filter basket. It's 9mm, which is the largest out there on the market. It has a 10-inch opening, and this filter basket can filter up to 380 microns. Who knows what that is? But that's basically any leaves that's on the top of your pool will get filtered out. The basket also has some really cool detail. It has the flap opening, which allows it to prevent leaves from backing out. So once you know when leaves go in, this anti-flap opening will prevent the leaves from leaving, which is so cool and really niche design. Now let's take a look at using the Beatbot iSkim. So right now I have the Beatbot iSkim running in the background. It also has eco mode, but the difference here is in standard mode it does the top cleaning as expected. In eco mode it basically conserves battery and runs a little bit slower to ensure that it's getting all day coverage. I prefer the standard mode just so I could get a quick clean so I could go into the pool and start enjoying the pool as early as possible. You can switch mode in the app, which is super easy, or you can just press the top here, or you can just change the mode right off the top. The light indicator tells you also which mode you are in, which is super useful. On the indicator light, solid white is standard and solid green is eco. So it's a quick way to tell which mode you're in. And the blue thing you saw earlier that I didn't know what the hell was, it is a foam noodle. The foam noodle is basically these tubes that goes where your pool intake is. Some pool intake are used so that in order to prevent the Beatbot or prevent the pool cleaner from getting trapped inside. I love the manual control. It's like driving a boat. Basically, it makes me feel like I'm a captain. You can take control right off the app. You can go forward, backward, sideways. You can do racing, whatever you want to do in the pool. It's also really good for targeting cleaning because if there's one section of your pool that has leaves and debris, you can just use the remote mode to just clean that one section and then go and enjoy your pool. So you might ask, what is different with Beatbot iSkim compared to other pool cleaner? It's the basket. The basket is 9mm. This can hold up to 550 leaves. Yes, we actually tested that. And this is super easy, durable, has tons of little detail that makes it outperform the competitor. Right now, the filter basket has this anti-flap, like I mentioned earlier, which ensures that when leaves go in, it stays in. There's no spillage. The basket is also easy to take out and empty and put back in. This ensures that anyone of any age can clean the pool or help support cleaning the pool. So this shouldn't be a one-person job. Another thing that sets the Beatbot iSkim apart from competitor is the solar panel. It has a 24-watt solar panel. This solar panel has a 10,000 milliamp charge. Paired with the Beatbot light technology, it ensures that whenever there's less light, the pool cleaner will go park or move towards areas in the pool that has maximum light to ensure that it's constantly getting the best optimal charging, which is very intelligent. Probably I haven't seen a pool cleaner that has that feature. And because it's running off the sunlight, you're getting really clean energy when it comes to cleaning your pool with no extra energy costs, which is pretty cool. I mean, that is pretty fantastic. This is where Beatbot separates itself from Betta and all the other competition. It has the Beatbot light track and solar track technology that ensures that once this iSkim is in your pool, it's there forever and it's running at the optimal charge, running at optimal efficiency. Tell me which other pool cleaner has solar track and light track technology. Other thing that sets Beatbot iSkim apart and just Beatbot apart is durability. Beatbot backs their product with over 3-year warranty. Pool cleaners tend to break down pretty fast because of the elements in the water like chemicals, outdoor elements. And with a 3-year warranty, you're confident, you know that the product you buy is going to last a minimum 3 years and sometimes longer because of how durable, really well designed this product is. And the Easter egg here, even the charging contact is built to last. It is a titanium charging contact that ensures that once it's there, you are not going to experience any water damage, chemical erosion, etc. It is there forever. The last thing that sets Beatbot apart is the opening. It's a 10 by 1 inch opening, which is the largest that I know out there on the market. And this ensures that with couple passes, you're getting maximum cleaning within that pool. Combine this with a twin professional grade motors on the side, the iSkim stands above the competitor. With all this together, you're getting one of the best skimming pool cleaner out there on the market. This is so accurate. You can control which turn to make, right, left, partial turn, etc., which gives you the power to design and clean your pool. Let's check out the app. The app has dual connectivity. You can connect to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. It is super easy to set up and pair. It also has so many features. You can look at the schedule to see when you want to clean your pool. You can look at the cleaning history. You can also, in the app, tell the battery percentage of the device, so it has the battery indicator in the app. You can take control, like I keep mentioning. You can drive the pool cleaner right off the app by using the remote control. In the app, if you want to end a session, you can just park the pool cleaner right off the app, or you can change modes, whether eco or standard mode, right off the app. This real-time monitoring is super fantastic. It stands above the competitor. You can see the battery performance, you can see the cleaning history, you can see the cleaning performance right off the app, and you can make changes as the motor gets tangled, whatever the case may be. You get a notification right away, so you're fully informed what is going on with your pool cleaner. What you'll notice is as soon as you get the device, there'll be a firmware update. These over-the-air update ensures that this device continue to evolve and continue to get better over time. So lastly, the question is, who is the iSkim Beatbot for? The iSkim Beatbot is for anyone. Get the iSkim Beatbot. This will solve that problem. If you're an elderly person and you don't have the ability every morning to put a pool cleaner inside and to drag it out, those things get heavy, you can just get the iSkim Beatbot. You just keep this in the pool all the time. It is low lift, super efficient, and cater towards every user out there on the market. It's a small investment up front, but it'll save you so much down the road. Also, I want to say the Beatbot iSkim is truly lightweight, and that's what I really love about the Beatbot. Now, let's look at the competition. We have the Betta Skimmer, and like I said, this doesn't come close to what the Beatbot offers. When you look at the Betta Skimmer, you have this very disappointing control, huge dials. You have to actually use a screw to get into the battery. It's not even installed when you buy it. The basket is super small. It is a small solar panel. It is dumb. It bumps into everything when it's in the pool. It's not efficient. The app sucks. It doesn't really give you much control within the app, if there's any app, and it is super inefficient. I keep watching it pass leaves, and I don't see it pulling in those leaves like the Beatbot does. How much debris the Betta caught, and that's it, guys. That's the debris. Barely anything. So disappointing. So this is what Betta caught. As you can see, I'll give you a closer look. That is barely any leaves. Barely. This design is just not very good. So now we're gonna lift it out of the pool. Like I said, super light. Here it's out of the pool. Let it drain a little bit. Look at that. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. All those nasty floating debris and stuff that would normally sink to the bottom is captured here in the basket, and you just can keep this running for hours and hours. The anti-flap right there pulls everything in. Look at that. Look at the difference compared to the competitor. Everything is trapped, nothing getting out. You can even find lost item inside here. Even bugs, all captured. Leaves, oh, there's even a dead bug over there is captured. Look at that. How cool is that? So there you have it. This is the Beatbot iSkim. So let me say this. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe. If you know someone who owns a pool, send them this video. If you have a pool and you're using a different pool cleaner, let me know in the comments below what pool cleaner you're using. And if you're very interested and you have follow-up questions, drop it in the description below so we can get Beatbot to answer those questions. Or if you're just looking for a new feature to be added, drop it in the comment below. Beatbot is looking at this video and they'll respond to those comments when you drop it. Make sure you like and subscribe, share this video.